Hi guys, today we'll be talking about other two ranking factors, that is relevancy and user friendliness. So I'll talk about first, that is relevancy. So as the name suggests, relevancy. So it is somewhere around relevant content. So if a user is searching something on search engine, your content should be good enough and relevant enough so that your content should be ranked on top, so that it would be easier for user to know about your content, and it will solve all the problems related to the user query. Second, it is user friendliness. So user friendliness is all about how engaging your content or your page is for the users. So it is an important factor because all the content, everything is created for users. So that was all about ranking factor. We'll be seeing you in the next videos.